Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which I have prepared right over here. You can find it in your box where the device came in, between paperwork, but you could also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you have either the paper clip or this little thing, you want to take off a case if you have one on your device. And the tray for the SIM card is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right here. Now if you pay attention to the tray, you can see that there are two little holes, right? You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout. So the one closer to the edge of the phone. Once you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out. And from here we can take out the tray and we have space for two different SIM cards on either side. You can occupy whichever side you want, or both. And you do so by placing your SIM card with the chip side facing outwards, like I have done right now. And then simply pop it back into your phone. The card should start working immediately once you pop it in, and there we go, it is already working for me. It's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. So I'm gonna quickly do that to unlock my card. And there we go, that's all it takes. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.